MLA citation is one of the major styles used to format papers and cite sources in the humanities. It consists of two parts, the in-text citation and the Works Cited page. Let's talk about the Works Cited page. Your Works Cited page is an alphabetical list of all the sources you cited in your paper. It establishes your credibility, it allows your reader to follow your work, and it gives credit to the authors of the ideas that inform and inspire you. On a new page at the end of your paper, you'll write the words Works Cited and center them at the top. After that, you'll need to change your paragraph style to hanging indent, where the first line of each entry is all the way to the left and the rest are indented. Or you can use the MLA research paper template at the beginning of this module. For each source, your Works Cited entry should contain three primary pieces: the author's name, the title of the source, and information about what's called a container. A container is a work that contains another work. For an article, the container is the journal or magazine it's published in. For an episode of television, the container is the series. Most sources won't have every single element here, and some sources will have additional containers. You can find more information about each of these elements in the text below this video, but let's look at two examples. Let's cite this copy of Moby Dick. We'll start with the author, Herman Melville. We'll write his last name first, then a comma, then his first name, then a period. Next, we'll write the title. A book is self-contained, meaning there's no longer work that contains it. So here the title of the source and the title of the container are the same. Moby Dick, italicized, period. A contributor is someone who isn't the author but who had a primary role in the book, like an editor or a translator. Most sources won't have this element, but this one does. This version of Moby Dick was edited by Herschel Parker. Notice that you'll write the role the contributor had here and end with a comma. Version refers to the edition of a source. This is the third Norton Critical edition, so I'll add that to my citation. You'll mostly use numbers for citations for scholarly journals, so we'll skip this element here. For a print book, look at the first couple of pages to find the name of the publisher and the publication date. Location typically refers to specific pages or URL. Though you'll cite page numbers in the text of your paper, we're citing the entire book here, so we'll skip this element and end with a period. And there is our citation. Let's look at one more, a scholarly article I found on JSTOR. Unlike the book, which was self-contained, an article has two containers: the journal it's published in and the database it's indexed in. We'll start with the author's name, then we'll add the title of the article in quotation marks. Now we're on to the first container, which is the name of the journal. Articles typically don't have contributors or versions, so we'll go to number, which is listed here, volume 33, issue number 2. There's no publisher to cite here, so we'll skip that. The publication date is spring 2011, and the location is the page numbers, 1 through 20. We're at the end of this container, so we'll end with a period rather than a comma. Since we found this article through JSTOR, there's a second container and location to add, the database and the URL. The titles of containers are italicized, so we'll add JSTOR, and then as our location, we'll add the URL. We'll end with a period, and this citation is done. As always, work smarter, not harder. Start your citation using a citation generator, then edit according to what you've learned here and your style guide. And if you ever have a question about a specific citation, ask a librarian.